everybody, this is Dr. Blumenthal again in the Bethesda office with Natural Transplants, and I just wanted to show you a scar. We are at about 4.5 months, and the gentleman here for the follow-up, and the front side looks pretty typical for 45 months, and I tried to find the scar, and I honestly can't even find it, and I don't even know where I went. The only area that I can see, and he's keeping this pretty short, obviously, I'll kind of fade back so you can kind of see what it looks like from the cut, but the only area that I can find from the scar is right here. It's kind of a line. This tiny little line right there. Otherwise, I can't even find it. There we go. You can see the little line right there. So this is, not too unusual. I mean, usually you can find it, but it's usually just that tiny little line, and I'm having difficulty finding it anywhere else. Typically it looks like that all the way around, but another example, a lot of people obviously are really worried about the scars, and he keeps it really short. It hasn't been an issue for him, as most people. So anyway, we'll check back in later.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.